Madhyan Lila, 10:48 a.m. to 3:36 p.m. as Radha Kund. Radha sees everything related to Krishna on her way to meet Krishna. Wherever Radhika glances, she sees something related to Krishna. Thus, the arrows of Cupid overwhelm Radha's heart with their powerful sting. Seeing Radha's rapture, the Sakhis compare the forest to Radha. Just as Radha is encircled by all of us Sakhis, the forest is bordered by jinti trees. Radhika wears a malika garland that attracts the bumblebees, but bees are flying everywhere amongst the forest's many malika, jasmine, flowers. Radha has a Sakhi named Vishaka, and the trees have many sakas, branches. Radhika is inflicted by Madan, Cupid, and the forest has numerous blooming Madana or Datura flowers. Just as Radhika is Manohar, enchanting, the forest has many Manohar latas. Radhika has a lovely form, and the forest has many shapely tree trunks. Radha has swelling kucha, breasts, and the forest has many lakucha trees. Radha satisfies Krishna's go senses, and the forest has lots of fresh grass to satisfy and please the go, the cows. Just as our Radhika is a youthful Kishori, the beautiful chirping birds keep the forest youthful. As Jatila, Kutila, and others make Radhika fearful with their nivaran, hindrances, the forest is pervaded with many nivaran trees. While admiring the beauty of the forest, Radha ponders, certainly there are many highly qualified Yuteshwaris, Gopi group leaders, roaming nearby with their Sakhis. So why wouldn't they find Krishna? And if Krishna sees them, how can he resist their temptations? Then Radha suddenly sees a stag sporting amongst a flock of deer in the kunjas to her right. On her left, she sees a peacock mixing with many peahens. These sights vividly remind Radha of Krishna's propensity to sport with other Sakhis. Then Rai sees a tamal tree entwined by a golden yuti lata and surrounded by a golden platform. A peacock with a fan tail sits on an overhead branch. Due to her prem vibram, bewilderment and pure love, Radha imagines that this sight she is seeing is Krishna embracing another beautiful lover. Instantly bitten by the snake of envy, Radha loses all her discrimination. Arching her eyebrows like Shiva's bow, Radha exclaims, "Are Dhanishta, what is this?" Dhanishta replies, "What? Where, Sakhi?" Radha, "Just look in front of you. Open your eyes." Dhanishta, "All I can see is the forest." Radha, "What is that? What are you saying?" Dhanishta. It's just the creatures of the forest. Radha. Oh, cunning one, are you blind? Can't you see that Kapat Raj, the king of cheaters, is dancing right before your eyes? Radha then turns to Lalita Sakhi and the other Sakhis and exclaims, Hey, Hare Sakhis, just see that deceitful debauchee's pleasure-giving dance with his dearest heroine. This impudent dancer's sweet words have deluded Dhanishta to make her a deceiving dancer like him. Now she is proudly supporting her master and trying to mislead us too. Just see nearby, you can notice Krishna's Kuranga, pet deer named Suranga. He's cheating his mate, Rangini, to enjoy another doe. He does not stop even though I have caught him in the act. He is as deceitful as his master Hari. Krishna must have trained this buck. Therefore he is a real Kuranga, which means foul, bad player.